Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to learn Dutch on Duolingo. Now you're trying to learn Dutch on Duolingo app. First of all, you need to pick the language. Just go down and once you see Dutch, just click continue. Do it with Jottings down, do know what is Jotting, and then it's now say let's find the best place to start. Are you learning Dutch for the first time or do you already know some Dutch? If you already know some Dutch, click I already know some Dutch, but if you don't, click learning Dutch for the first time. Press continue and then get ready for a test. Now you just have to pass this test to start learning Dutch. If you don't pass the test, if you don't complete the test, you can't learn the language. So if you don't need anything, just click on the word I need to show you. I'm totally clueless, so I'm just doing this. I'm just trying to do it fast, so guys. And I'm trying to do it fast so I don't waste your time. So once you've completed the test, you will now be able to use Duolingo to learn Dutch. There you'll be able to do lessons upon lessons and you just have to be consistent. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.